A group of Western Michigan University students has designed an innovative and sustainable aquaponics system with the help of a $5,000 grant and several university departments. It's located right here in Finch Greenhouse.
Yeah, so I started this project. I'm a senior studying civil engineering currently. Yeah, and I'm really passionate about the environment. I think that's what all of us are about here. This is an aquaponics system. It's all grant funded through a student sustainability grant. So I went through a process of writing the grants, receiving about $5,000 in funding, and then started designing this. I heard about aquaponics and I was pretty excited about the concepts of growing plants, growing food with fish waste. So I thought that was really cool, and I started researching different types of aquaponics. The interesting thing about aquaponics is since there's not many industry standards, there's not very much written documentation on how aquaponics should be set up. Most of the information we come across is from backyard practitioners. Basically, we tried to take just the standard aquaponics design and innovate it for the methods that we think would be good here at Western. And the design in itself is really innovative compared to traditional agriculture or aquaponics practices. In our design, we made it all able to take apart, all able to be collapsed, put in a truck. It can be thrown on wheels and moved, and it's not attached to a water system. When you think of like why aquaponics, you know, what benefit does aquaponics have and why haven't I heard of it? What aquaponics is its form of food production, taking nutrients from fish waste and sending it to plants to use that nutrients, take that ammonia, convert it, and then use that sending clean water back to a fish tank. So, you know, it draws on many of the systems typically found in wetlands with the ammonia cycle and the nitrate cycle, but it's used here in a closed system in a newer technology to utilize it in an indoor space or in a single system. Traditional agriculture, you think of a lot of things of erosion, you think of nutrient pollution as well, and tilling, all those practices. This is not the case because it's a closed system, so anything that goes in the system stays in the system. So there's not the aspect for pollution and high uses of machinery there. Additionally, and probably the biggest aspect of why aquaponics is it uses significantly less water. Aquaponics uses less than 7% of the water used in traditional agriculture.
So I'm Rowan Adams. I'm Keaton's partner. Yeah, I've been like researching native plants that work. Like these are a lot of marshy plants that I hope will do better in the system because they can handle like higher volumes of water. The other ones we're not so sure of. We just got a big variety to see what works. This is the first thing I've really like been a part of like at Western. So I've like learned a great deal. I enjoy it. I love it to spend, like this is my new favorite spot on campus is just hanging out in the greenhouse.
So currently we're relatively in the middle stages of the design. You know, we got it, it's up and running. We're about to incorporate plants, but soon here we will direct it more towards educating others and reaching out with students. Our kind of point of making an aquaponic system and what we want to do is we really want to show you know, some Western sustainability. We really want to show that students are interested in sustainability and provide an outlet to educate. You know, we want to be a space that all of those departments can come to and post their material on and expose students in really one place to the sustainability movement over a wide range of things. But we just want to hone people's interest in that and show them, you know, what they can do. And I think that's been the whole point of this is I'm seeing what I can do. My partners are seeing how they can apply their expertise. And we're just seeing, you know, what impact we can make in sustainability. So we're all very passionate about that and very excited about where it goes.
The group hopes to see the system thrive in the next couple of years and become a hub for community and sustainability education. For Western Herald, I'm Cori Osterman.